Hi, I'm Kyle Barkford with MarineMax Lake Ozark, Missouri, and we are aboard the 2018 280 Outrage with twin 300 Verados with the joystick piloting from Mercury. This is a great vessel with a lot of great options. As you can see, it's got the Marine touchscreen, hybrid touchscreen there, along with the vessel view for all your engine information. This is truly one of the best riding boats here at Lake of the Ozarks, so let's go through it. Alright, here we are at the helm of the 280 Outrage. It's got the center console with the T-top, full windshield, so you really are protected from the wind when you're running, or you can open it up and get the wind flowing through. It's got a great high bench seat here. You can do it in the flip-up bolsters as it is, or you can flip it down and be in a seated position. As you move to the back, you have great open area with the flip up or flip down seat here, and you also have your cleaning station and bait well with sink and everything as well too. Tons of great storage with the storage boxes on the side and the floors here, and if you are into doing the fishing, you got rod holders on the side as well. So on the 280 Outrage, you have a head inside the center console, and in front of the center console you have a nice lounge pad. You can sit up to 2 adults really easily, very comfortable, good view while you're riding. And also you have the ergonomic helm here, very nice seat with grab handles on each side, so you can fit a good amount of people up here with a very comfortable ride. As well as great storage in the rear of the boat, you also have that in the front underneath the great helm or lounger seat here. As you can see, you have 2 buckets in there for cleaning supplies or anything else you need, along with great storage for life jackets, ropes, bumpers, whatever you can fit in there. So if you are in need of some extra seating, right here at the midship, we got the flip down seats that come out of the gunnel. It's a nice spot to add a couple extra people while you're underway. And also if you're just coved out for a while as well too. They're really nice and really easy to get in and out, and they just tuck away so they're out of the way. So now let's head out and go for a ride. I want to thank you for taking a ride and a tour of the 2018 280 Outrage from Boston Whaler. I'm Kyle Barkford with MarineMax here at Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. And if you want to get on this boat, come by the marina or give us a call.